Hey guys, Moonflower is back. So I've not uploading for a while. Oh, and also, um, this message is for Pacific YouTubers. Blixmy, Tina Flowers, Work on Nikiwa, Podcast Studios, Zip, Afmal, and any others. Please help us. Our crew is dying out. We got people leaving. It's only down to me and my second. And we are trying our best to work, but we need some help. I know we ain't a big YouTube channel. We know we ain't popular, but please help us. And guys, help us reach out to YouTubers. To those YouTubers and more Wildcat YouTubers and drawing YouTubers and animator YouTubers. Please, we need help. We are trying our best. And sorry about the lost code. So much been going on. It's hard to keep up with the ever change and stuff. And yeah, it's just difficult, okay? Help us. Please help us. Poco Studios, Lexamine, Tina Flowers, Work on Nikiwa, Hot Zip, Half Mile. Y'all guys, help us. Help us here at just please help us at SoCat Studios. We have a Mino under the same name as the YouTube channel, SoCat Studios. We are trying our best and we're planning on making merch. Please like, subscribe, and share. And please comment. I'm sorry about lighting. My room is really dark. So please help us. Please help us. Help us spread joy to you. The only reason why I made this channel was to make y'all happy and to help me. I just want to help people. I want to make people happy. I just want to spread joy. So help me make these shows. Please, guys, please. The support y'all give, y'all don't know how much it helps us. And yeah, and just help us. Okay, I'm literally about to cry. Okay, guys. Oh, guys, I was stuck in my mouth for a moment. Oh my gosh. I got a hair stuck in my mouth. Oh my gosh, that is embarrassing. So okay, anyways, guys, help us spread joy. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe and share this video. Share it.